Welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel, where we celebrate the world's most timeless classic cars, hidden automotive legends, and vintage machines that continue to inspire generations of car lovers. Today, we're taking a ride back to the golden age of American motoring to appreciate one of the most stylish compact classics of the 1960s, the legendary 1966 Mercury Comet. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Auto Luxury Channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another journey into automotive history. The 1966 Mercury Comet arrived during a fascinating era in American car culture. The mid-1960s were all about bold styling, chrome details, growing horsepower wars, and youthful excitement. Mercury wanted a car that could combine comfort, sporty personality, and upscale design into one attractive package, and the Comet delivered exactly that. While it may not always receive the same spotlight as some of its famous competitors, true classic car enthusiasts know that the 1966 Mercury Comet deserves respect for its elegance, reliability, and timeless charm. At first glance, the Comet captures attention with its clean body lines and confident stance. The front grille has a refined yet aggressive appearance, perfectly balanced by the signature dual headlights and wide chrome bumper. Unlike some overly flashy cars of the era, the Comet maintained a sophisticated style that still looks beautiful decades later. Its proportions were simple and balanced, giving the car a mature personality that appealed to both young drivers and families alike. One of the most impressive things about the 1966 Mercury Comet was the variety it offered. Buyers could choose from different trims, body styles, and engine options depending on their preferences. Whether someone wanted a practical daily cruiser or a sporty muscle-inspired machine, Mercury made sure there was a Comet for everyone. From sedans to hardtops and convertibles, every version carried a unique character while maintaining the elegant Mercury identity. Interior. Inside the cabin, the Comet reflected the comfort-focused design philosophy of the 1960s. The dashboard featured classic gauges, polished trim, and a layout that was simple yet stylish. Bench seats provided a comfortable ride, while higher trims offered bucket seats and sporty touches that enhanced the driving experience. The steering wheel, chrome accents, and detailed interior materials gave drivers a feeling of luxury without making the car feel overly complicated. But the real magic of the 1966 Mercury Comet came from under the hood. Depending on the model, buyers could choose economical inline-six engines or powerful V8 options that transformed the Comet into an exciting performance car. For enthusiasts seeking speed and adrenaline, the V8-powered versions delivered impressive acceleration and a deep engine sound that perfectly matched the muscle car spirit of the decade. One of the most legendary variants was the Mercury Comet Cyclone. This performance-focused version turned the already stylish Comet into a true street machine. With upgraded engines, sporty suspension tuning, and bold exterior details, the Cyclone became a favorite among drivers who wanted performance with Mercury sophistication. Even today, surviving Cyclone models are highly respected among collectors and vintage car enthusiasts around the world. Driving a 1966 Mercury Comet today feels like stepping into a moving piece of history. The sound of the engine, the smooth ride, and the classic steering experience create a feeling modern cars simply cannot replicate. There is something deeply emotional about cruising in a vintage American classic with chrome shining under the sunlight and the engine rumbling down the road. It reminds us of a time when cars had personality, craftsmanship, and soul. Another reason the Comet remains appreciated is its durability. Many owners praise the car for being dependable and relatively easy to maintain compared to some other classics. Enthusiasts continue restoring these cars because parts availability and mechanical simplicity make the Comet a rewarding project for collectors and hobbyists alike. In today's collector market, the 1966 Mercury Comet has become increasingly desirable. As more people discover overlooked classic American cars, the Comet is finally receiving the recognition it deserves. Restored examples attract attention at car shows, auctions, and vintage automotive events. Its combination of affordability, rarity, and classic styling makes it a smart choice for collectors who want something unique without following the mainstream crowd. What makes the Comet truly special is its identity. It was never just about raw horsepower or flashy marketing. Instead, it represented balance. It blended comfort, performance, practicality, and luxury into one memorable package. That balanced personality is exactly why so many enthusiasts still admire it nearly 60 years later. The 1966 Mercury comet also reflects the optimism of 1960s America. It came from a period when the automotive industry was pushing creativity and innovation to exciting new levels. Cars were becoming symbols of freedom, individuality, and ambition. Owning a stylish machine like the Comet was about more than transportation, it was about lifestyle and pride. Today, when you see a beautifully restored Mercury Comet cruising down the road, it instantly turns heads. Younger generations admire its vintage design, while older enthusiasts remember the era it represents. That universal admiration proves the timeless beauty of this classic Mercury. For classic car lovers, the 1966 Mercury Comet is more than just an old vehicle. It is a reminder that true automotive greatness does not always need to be loud or famous. Sometimes the most unforgettable classics are the ones quietly waiting to be rediscovered by passionate enthusiasts who appreciate authenticity and timeless design. Thank you for joining Auto Luxury Channel on this journey through the history of the incredible 1966 Mercury Comet. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more legendary classic car stories, rare vintage icons, and automotive masterpieces from every era. Let us know in the comments if you would love to own a Mercury Comet someday, and tell us your favorite classic American car of all time. Until next time, keep your passion for classic cars alive and continue celebrating the machines that shaped automotive history.